Hey guys, I am back today with 3 new winter theme plates from Dixie Plates. This is their Christmas 18 plate, and then I'm going to show you the sweater weather plate and the Let It Snow plate. Alright, let's jump on in here. Here is the Christmas 2018 plate to give you a quick little look. So all kinds of goodies there, and let's start up here at the top. So this is not your normal snowfall. This gives you some little snowflakes, some fat snowflakes, and some snowflake-shaped snowflakes, or some star snowflakes. So, I think when it comes to like Christmas plates, like most companies have already done like, 2 or 3 Christmas plates, and there's a ton of companies out there. So anytime you're looking at holiday themes or Christmas themes or whatever, you've got the same kind of iconic symbols. So I love it when a maker does something a little bit different so that, okay, this is not just the same old thing again. We've got some presents. This is great for lead lighting, great for reverse stamping. Some ho ho ho, some nice little different kinds of trees. And she does have an image like this on another plate with different kinds of trees like this, but it's a lot wider. The trees are very spaced differently, so this is different, and so I'm glad to have that. I love this with just the gentle scribbles. This would be great as a background image over like all of these cutie things here that we're going to get to. So would the snow, by the way. Love this penguin with this stuff wrapped around his neck and the little, oh my gosh, this little Santa Claus hats. And this elf is everything. I guess that elves, multiple elves, one elf, I don't know, but he's everything. He or they are everything. I love this so hard. And this is totally adorable and something I do not have. The cancellations, whatever they are, you know what I'm saying. I have some of these for like European travel-y kind of, but to have them Christmas themed is really, really cute and adorable. Okay, and then we get into a whole bunch of fun things that you can kind of mix and match with those other ones. So these look to me like Christmas cookies. So everybody has a reindeer, everybody has holly, but I love that these look like Christmas cookies. That's so adorable. And I love that these are full-on ornaments, so you can do your own, like Christmas tree and have these as ornaments. And I personally would LED light all of these for best effect, but of course you don't have to. How beautiful is that one? Oh my gosh. Like you could just do all your nails green in whatever kind of green you want, and then just come in on an accent nail and boom, have that gorgeous ornament coming down. So gorgeous. Love this angel, this trio of snow dudes. I think, yeah, I could fit him. He'll fit on my thumb. I think maybe, it's going to be a little bit big for my other ones, but I could always get like his little cute head if I wanted to. These reindeer right here, look, these slay me. Oh my gosh, and how cute, by the way, are these reindeer with these elves? Like, I just love, they're the perfect style to go together. And then you've got like a little Mrs. and Mr. reindeer that you could do. Like you could have, again, I don't know, I'm feeling simple this year, I guess, but like you could have just a color that you like, and then Mrs. Reindeer on one accent nail, Mr. Reindeer on the other, or you could do a whole deal where you had like a background and you stamp multiple of these. That would be really, really cute too. And then this one up here that goes with the Christmas postage. Love the snowballs. Another great thing that if you just want a simple accent nail, because let's face it, in the holidays we're all busy and maybe you only have time to do an accent nail, and I love that there's good options for that. Merry Christmas. That is a little long right now for me, but if you have longer nails, you're going to fit that in no problem. Love a couple presents. One of them is layerable, so that's really cute. This reindeer wins my heart. I want him to come home with me right now, right this very minute. Magic time. You can use that with the pine, without. You could pull the pine off and put it around other things if you want to. And then more ornaments here that can really just make super easy Christmas tree kind of manis, or over gold and just having it come down from your cuticle like that, or a couple coming down from your tip as a really cool French mani. And then she's got a few here that you can just kind of throw in and dot your tree with, or draw your own little hanger from. And this right here, like just as this is on the plate, that makes me think of like a Christmas tree lot. You know how they string up the tops of the Christmas tree lots with the lights and stuff to make them look cute. And that makes me want to do a Christmas tree lot mani where I just do have the trees and and the things strung up along the top. I think that that's so adorable. Okay, so now let's take a look at Let It Snow, and this one is just all different kinds of snowflakes. So pretty much you could take your stamper and stamp anywhere on this plate, stamp it onto your nail, and you're going to have fun snowflakes. You could also pull out whichever particular ones you want and scatter them over your nails however you want. You could put a layer of this on first and then stamp some of these snowflakes over, and that would be a really cute layered effect. You could get different colors going in on that. So all kinds of variety there. And then we have Sweater Weather 01, which is all of the different sorts of sweater kind of patterns, and people call them ugly sweaters. I guess I'm one of the people that love the ugly sweaters because I think they're cool. I like them. There you go. Again, I love that she's given, instead of just, a regular pattern, this one has some different movement to it, some different sways, so you're playing around with different kinds of looks. This is really cool because it's a simple thing that you can go in and you can either just stamp it over whatever color you're wearing and be done, or you could lead light part of it, like the two braids, or reverse stamp the two braids, say, and then stamp it over a different color and get a multicolor effect. Similar thing like this, just playing around with the texture so you've got something going on here rather than just the knit pattern. So doing something a little different than we've seen before with these kinds of patterns. Love the kind of swooshing effect of that. Ugly Sweater Holiday Party, that's going to be a little bit big for me, but I could divide it over two and that would be cute. Ugly Sweater Holiday Party. Love this sort of honeycomb with the different shapes here, and then this is my favorite because you could very easily do that as a French tip, and that would be so cute. Or even just to have it, coming down from like the opposite way. Have this coming down your cuticle and it would be like sweater fringe. So very cool there. And then a couple of patterns, and I love that this has the hearts. You can take this on, and of course with this you can take it into January, February. This definitely looks like it could do Valentine's double duty. So yeah, these definitely go all the way through winter for sure. And there are a few things on this one that go through winter too. So like this could be winter. Your trees, of course, could be any time through winter. So you've got a few little options there for just plain winter manis as well as holiday manis. All right, let's quickly look at the full nail images here. So these are 1.2 centimeters wide, 2.5 centimeters tall. And here is a quick little look with that ruler so you can get a feel for how big those other images are. All right, let's go make some sample looks. All right, so let's do a little wrap up here. Here are some beautiful hollow snowflakes over that gorgeous hollow background. Love it. Here are some silver snowflakes and a cute little present. I love that. Negative space image with these ho-ho-hos and the hollies that curve. It's hard to see the whole thing, but I love how those images show off your awesome hollows. Then we have the cutest reindeer on the entire planet. And one of the things I noticed with this image with the trees is that they're really widely spaced. So if you want just an overall pattern, you might want to go with the other tree image, but for like a background pattern, this is good because it leaves a lot of empty space for you. Finally, we have our ugly sweater, and I love that. And I love the red over the beige. I think that's really cool. All right, so I will link everything down below, and thank you for watching. Come on, Michelle, you can do it. You can use your words. Use your words, Michelle. Use your words.